Hey guys, what's going on? So check out the new model I just designed. This right here is an origami orange flicker, like the fruit. And yeah, so it is an orange, and it's a flicker. Check this out. Oh yeah! And what's also cool about it is that it's a really nice spinner. Check this out. And yeah, that's not the only cool thing about it. What's also cool about it is that if you fold it in different colors, meaning like if you use blue or something, you can make a blueberry too. Or if you use red, you can make an apple. Or yeah. So this one I folded out of a blue sheet of kami, and this is how it flies. Oh yeah. I'm gonna fly the orange one more time. Oh yeah. Alright, wanna learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Alright, so for this orange that spins, I'm going to use a 16 square of kami, but you could use a sheet of printer paper cut square. So let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Okay, unfold and fold in half this way. We are going to make a fish face. Okay, unfold, and now fold this edge to the crease. And just fold from this crease right here all the way to the left. So align it to the crease like this, and make that fold from the crease to there. You could fold right here, but I'm not going to do that. And fold this edge to the crease, and same thing. You could go all the way across, but to make it a little bit cleaner, I'm just going to fold from the crease to the right like that. Okay, unfold, and now let's rabbit ear, so make them at the same time like this, and flatten this point in both directions, like this. Okay, you can flatten it to one side, and repeat that on this side. So, fold like this, make sure it's as perfect as you can, and just fold from the crease to the end right here. And same on the side. Fold to the middle crease and just fold from the crease to the end. Okay, and now rabbit ear it and flatten the flap in both directions. Okay, now flatten them both in one direction like that. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this point and we're gonna fold it to here. Alright, just like this. Okay, unfold that, and now we're gonna sink it. So let's open this up, and let's pinch this crease right here, and this crease, like that. And then now, let's just go ahead and flatten everything like this. Just like that. Alright, and now fold these flaps down, rotate, and do the same thing on this side. So fold to there, unfold, and now sink it. So pinch all three of these creases right here, make sure they're mountains, like this. Bring everything in like this, and flatten everything. Okay. And now, fold this right flap down like this, and keep the left flap up like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and fold it to this crease. This is actually my favorite part of the model. There's a cool lock I want to show you. and on this side, fold this edge to the crease. Alright, and crease that nice and sharp. Alright, now comes the fun part. What we're going to do is, we're going to take this flap right here, and we're going to insert it into this pocket right here. I'm going to insert it into the topmost slots. Just lift up the raw edge and stick it in there, like that. And repeat on this side. So, lift up the raw edge, and tuck it in there like that. See? And that makes a nice lock right there. And I really like that part. Okay, make sure everything's flat. Alright, now we're going to shape it into an orange. So, just shape it to taste now. So I'm going to fold this up about like that. Make sure the fold originates at this point right here. It's to taste. And repeat on this side. Alright, and on this side too. Just like that. Alright, and now I'm gonna fold this point up a little bit like that. And on this side. Okay, now for the sides, I'm gonna do the same thing, just fold it up just a tad. So it makes it more round. And same here. Alright, we're pretty much done. We just make it as flat as you can. And if the paper, if the edges are, if it's kind of up right here, then you can just flatten it however it flattens. It doesn't matter if it's not clean on this side because this is the underside, so you don't need to see this side. So just kind of flatten it like however I'm doing, like this. Flatten it however you can, like this. You can make a little wrinkle fold right there. This is what makes it fly better. Make it as flat as you can, however. There we go. This side looks like it's good. And now repeat on this side. Yep, I don't care how the side looks. There we go, that's better. And now this, actually it makes it fly a little bit better in my opinion. And this is also what makes it spin like this. It's a really nice spinner too. See, it spins for a pretty long time. Okay, and to do that, I'm sure you know what to do. Just make these two folds at the same time like this. So it makes a point right here in the middle. Like this. And then now, it should spin. Whoa, flew up in the air like that. Okay. Oh yeah, it's a really nice looking spinner. Let's do it again. Yeah. And of course, it is a flicker. Make sure everything's flat. And alright, let's see how it flies. Okay, so the fly thing, it's just like an ordinary flicker. So I'm going to hold it by the end right here. And I'm going to flick right here. So here goes. Oh, I didn't flick it right. You just got to find the sweet spot and do it right. There we go. Got it that time. Let's do it again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, one more time. Oh yeah. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video and make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.